Ever wondered how you can grow sweet potatoes in your own backyard? Imagine the magic of nurturing a simple seed into a bountiful harvest. It's not just about the potatoes, it's about the joy of homegrown freshness. Now, imagine harvesting your own sweet potatoes fresh from your backyard. Intrigued? Let's dive in. First things first, you need a sack. But not just any sack, a sturdy one, preferably made of burlap or a similar material. This choice is crucial because it provides excellent drainage and flexibility. Now let's talk soil. Sweet potatoes thrive in well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. So, mix some compost or aged manure into your soil. This not only improves soil structure but also provides essential nutrients. With your sack and soil ready, you are on your way to growing your own sweet potatoes. Now comes the fun part, planting your sweet potatoes. Start by gently placing your sweet potato slips into the sack. Make sure to space them about 12 inches apart. This gives each plant room to grow and flourish. Next, cover the slips with about 5 inches of soil. This is enough to support them, but not so much that they're buried. Be sure to pat down the soil gently. With your sweet potatoes safely nestled in their new home, all you have to do is wait. But wait, you can't just leave your sweet potatoes to their own devices. They need a little TLC. To keep your sweet potatoes happy and healthy, you'll want to provide regular watering, but be careful not to overdo it. Too much water can lead to rot. Weeding is important too, as weeds can compete with your sweet potatoes for nutrients. And don't forget about pest control. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests and disease. With the right care, your sweet potatoes will be ready to harvest in no time. After a few months, the moment you've been waiting for finally arrives. Harvest time. Knowing when to harvest is crucial. Look for yellowing leaves, a sign your sweet potatoes are ready. Gently unearth them to avoid damaging the tubers. Congratulations! You've successfully grown sweet potatoes in your own backyard. Now all that's left to do is enjoy them.